The horse was exhausted, but it kept going.
Step after step, even when it had nothing left.
Have you ever felt like that? Like you're tired, but life keeps asking for more?
The road was long, the weight was heavy, every step felt harder than the last.
The horse didn't run fast anymore, it didn't look strong, it just kept moving. Not because it felt powerful, but because it refused to stop. And sometimes, that's what real strength looks like. Not loud, not impressive, just quiet endurance. Maybe right now, you feel the same way, tired of trying, tired of waiting, tired of carrying things no one else sees.
You wonder if you can keep going. You wonder if it's even worth it. But strength isn't always about how fast you move.
Sometimes it's about not giving up when you're tired, and even when you feel like you have nothing left. God is still there, giving you strength for the next step. You may not feel it, you may not see it, but He is carrying you, even now. Because the journey isn't over, and neither are you. So take one more step, then another. Even if it's slow, even if it's hard, God gives strength to the weary. And He will carry you when you can't carry yourself. Isaiah 40:29. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak.